From here you just click on login. Then you see this window. You can close it or you can just see the preview. It's a short tutorial whereby you can just pick one or two things, but for this class let me just close it, and you click, you are in offline mode. Can you just see? So nothing like blank. I don't understand. Okay, now from here, newest for startup, this corner you can just, or you click on this plus sign to start new one. Now you will be given this page. Now having this page, now we want to start our design. Then we can insert any image you feel like inserting. Let's say for example I want to talk about tutorial. Just say this is a board, and this board will show first. You can just control it, expand it whichever way you want it. Then you click on text to add the text. Let's say this is how to use videoscribe, and that's it. You can just press enter so that it will fit into the board, and you click OK. Then this is our text. Then we place our text, and you can double click and click on this text to edit the text again, in case maybe you miss one or two things initially. So you can just click. So I'm pressing enter so that it will fit to the center. Now from here, this is the alignment. You can pick alignment maybe to be center here. Then you click OK again. Then you could see is at the center now. Now we have that. This is how to use videoscribe. Then we can just move our diagram to the left. So that means our images will be showing to the left this way. Then from here we can click, we can create another thing. Let's just look for images like type images like let's say lady there. So videoscribe will search for a picture like a lady. Okay, now let's say this lady is saying something. Let's say talk or chat. Okay, let's use this. You can slide to the you can click one of these buttons to slide to the left to see varieties of the talk there. Okay, let's just use this and say, just say, okay, now we now have a text, a winner. Okay, then we click OK. From here you can place this I'm a winner to the center. Okay, you can undo. Let's place it to the center, expand it. Okay, expand it. Okay, make sure you click on the text. Okay, and the chart, we're clicking on the chart. Now clicking on the chart to move it this way so that I'm a winner. We just okay, I'm a winner. Yes, the lady is saying I'm a winner. Then let's have a preview of what we just did. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? I'm just fast forwarding. Can you see? So now from here you want to set the time for the lady. How many minutes do you want the lady to just display? Then you can say okay, so that it will be faster. You can videoscribe should make it, should draw all this diagram within a short period, like let's say within 10 seconds or 8 seconds. Then these boards should be drawn within, let's say, 6 seconds, and this shard should be drawn within 2 seconds. I mean, winner should be written within this period. So that's how to do the duration. Then we can move on again. You can just move our page. Okay, you can just say call me for your training. Call for training. Okay, call for training. Which number do you want to call? 0703012. That's my number. Then you can change the color of the text or the background here. You see, let's change the color whichever way you want, and click OK. So the color is blue, so it's not as if you cannot change color here. You can change color here. So that's where I'll be stopping. Now if you want to insert additional image, just click here and click this folder. It will launch you to your, then you navigate to where you have your images that you want to use. For example, let me say I'm using this ball, these dice. So I click OK. The videoscribe will load the image, but it seems this image is somehow heavy, I don't know. So it's asking you how to draw the image, for example, to just like this, or to draw in details. So I prefer videoscribe to just draw this way, which I think to me is okay. So videoscribe is going to draw this, so just click OK. Just click OK. We can do this later. So after call me, videoscribe is going to draw this. So videoscribe should draw for how many minutes? So after that, we can want to add our music. You see, this is the icon to add any music, or this is the icon for narration, voiceover, you understand. Just click on it, but I don't want to add music now. Click on it, click on this folder, this corner, then you load your music straight away. It's very easy. Now after this stuff, you could see, let me just fast forward. You could see, then it will draw the diagram, and that's all everything we have done. Then from there, just click to export the video, or to render the video. Then you click on this to create a file. Then it will land you here. You can change the format you want, but PDF will go on system as well, go on phone. So change the name, let's say training for animation. Okay, then you click OK. And once you click OK, the stuff will start loading and preparing, and I think this is the best training, and it's okay, and it will load everything, and you can only just trace your file where you